sound of great drums begins with great shells, and SST is Pearl's exclusive shell building technique, born from 60 years of acoustic research and unmatched craftsmanship. There are hundreds of variables that can affect tone, like the type of wood, the number of plies, the shape of the bearing edge, drum hardware, and even the heads. But before any of those ingredients matter, you have to consider the shell construction and shell integrity. Let's take a closer look. All woods are not the same, and only the finest woods are good enough for Pearl's legendary tone. It begins with hand-selected woods chosen for their unique acoustic attributes, cosmetic properties, and precise moisture content. The wood is then milled to exact thicknesses. The seam is the key to shell integrity. Scarf joint seams are cut at each end, allowing the edges to overlap and bond over 800% more surface area than conventional butt joints. This provides extreme strength and integrity to the shell while simultaneously eliminating air pockets that can disrupt vibration. The secret ingredient to great sound is the glue. The wood plies are coated with our proprietary acoustic glue, which is formulated for each of the specific woods we use. This adhesive hardens within the mold to the same density as the wood it binds, allowing the shell to respond as if made from a single ply to provide superior tone and optimal resonance. We actually cook our shells to perfection. During shell formation, our hydraulic molds are heated to 212 degrees, and the glue is literally boiled into the pores of the wood to ensure a complete bond. Superior sound and shell vibration go hand in hand. While the acoustic glue boils, 1,000 pounds of pressure per square inch is applied to create the finest drum shell in the world. No other system uses this exact combination of heat and pressure to create a drum shell with such extreme strength. Computer-driven cutters trim the shells to exact depths with perfectly parallel edges to assure direct energy transfer of the air column. Twin laser-guided cutters ensure the accuracy of each cut. Where the drum head meets the shell is the point of attack, and task-specific bearing edges developed through years of research are precisely cut for maximum head contact and ultimate energy transfer. From a sharp 45 for intense attack to fully rounded for full-bodied sound, Pearl cuts every bearing edge to the most exacting specifications. The grand finale for the shell is the finish. Now that the shell has been constructed to the strictest of standards, the completed shells are finished with dazzling wraps and high-gloss lacquers that can take up to 7 days and 34 steps to complete. Every single Pearl drum shell from masterworks to form, including marching and concert drums, are formed using our SST superior shell technology. In front of you is our SST ad with a Hummer H1, almost 4 tons of truck with one wheel perched on a reference series tom. What you don't see in the ad are the other 6 drums, one from each series from masters to form, that were subjected to this same crushing load, and every one survived without a scratch. We did this to demonstrate the superiority of our SST shell forming method. Our goal is to create the best sounding drums possible, and SST assures a perfect acoustic chamber for an amazing sound. As it happens, the shells are incredibly strong, so strong in fact that starting with 2007 models, all wood drum set shells will now carry a limited lifetime warranty. No one but Pearl can offer this warranty because no one makes drums as good as Pearl. SST, superior shell technology.